Hi, I'm Sumaya Jagirdar and I'm thrilled to welcome you to my Python tutorial series. As a passionate educator with a background in computer engineering and years of experience in teaching data structures, algorithms, and programming, I have designed this course to make learning Python simple, practical, and truly beginner friendly. What sets this course apart from the many others available on YouTube is my focus on clarity, real life examples, and a step by step teaching style that ensures you not only watch but understand and implement what you learn. Whether you are just starting your coding journey or looking to solidify your Python foundation, this course will help you build confidence and skills that actually stick. Let's make coding a fun and empowering experience together.